Hello everyone, today we are going to perform a practical of fineness test of cement. So first of all we will see what are the significant, why it is necessary to conduct a fineness test of cement. As all we know, fineness of cement is measured by sieving cement on a standard sieve of a IS sieve number 9, that is 90 micron. So we just want to first of all see why it is necessary to find fineness of cement. As we know that the cement hydrates with the presence of water. When cement is mixed with the water, a thin layer is formed around the particle. This layer grows bigger and makes cement particle to separate. Due to this, hydration process slows down. Therefore, the smaller particle will react much quicker than the larger particles. Because of this, we need a smaller particle of this cement as compared to the larger particles. For that purpose, we will conduct a fineness test of cement. For this purpose, first of all, we have to measure or take a cement of 100 gram. Now we will take a cement of 100 gram. We will measure it by a weighing machine. Here it is, we have taken cement having a quantity of 100 grams. Now this is a sieve of having 90 micron IS sieve number 9, from which we will sieve the cement. For sieving purpose we required a lid or a pan. We will attach this pan like this. We will pour 100 gram of cement. As cement is very fine, we will cover it by a lid. Now we will mix it thoroughly for a 15 minutes. If we will use a shaking machine or mixing or a drum machine, so we will take it for 2 minutes. But we are doing manually, so for manually purpose we have to mix it or shake it for 15 minutes. We are shaking the fine cement in this IS sieve number 9. Now we have shake it for 15 minutes. Now we will see the results. Now we are opening it. Now we have to take the weight of the cement written on IS sieve number 9. We will weigh it, that how much cement is written. It is 4 grams. 4 grams of cement is written on the IS sieve number 9. Now further we will calculate the fineness of cement. Now for fineness of cement, we have to weight of cement retained on IS sieve number 9, that is 90 micron, upon total weight of the sample which we have taken into 100. So weight retained is 4 gram. Total weight of sample it is 100 gram and into 100. Now we will get the fineness of cement. Percentage equal to 4%. For good quality of cement, fineness of cement should be less than 10%. If it is more than 10%, the cement is not fine. It will take more time for the hydration of cement. and for the setting of cement. So we have, for a good quality of cement, this value should be less than 10. So our value is 4%, so our quality of cement is good. Thank you.